Ravi Kukreja from Deal Money Research. Welcome to another episode of Commodities Weekly Watch. In this episode of Commodity Weekly Watch, we are going to cover bullions, that is the gold and silver. From energy sector, we are going to cover natural gas. From base metals, we are going to cover copper. And from the currency segment, we are going to cover Euro INR for the month of May. So let's begin with bullions. Gold on the daily chart has been facing the resistance of the downward sloping trend line. Prices have tested this trend line on the upside and have retraced back towards the 30 days exponential moving average, which is at the level of 46,400, which would be also the support for the week. The resistance for the gold would be at the level of 48,500, as the momentum indicator RSI is at 54, which indicates the sideways bias in the gold prices for the coming week. The gold prices are also having a negative crossover, which also supports the sideways to bearish bias in the coming week. Therefore, for the week, we expect gold to trade within the range of 46,400 to 48,500 during the current week. However, if the level of 46,400 is breached, we expect the bearish bias to take over, and we can create a sell on rise position from there onwards, with a stop loss above the level of 47,500 for the target of 45,000 in the coming week. Moving on to silver. Silver prices are trading within the consolidation of 67,700 to the resistance of 71,000 level during the past week. We expect this range to continue during the current week as well, as the momentum indicator RSI is trading at 56, which shows the lack of momentum in the silver prices. For the week, we expect silver to trade within the given range. Moving on to the energy sector. Natural gas prices are trading within a consolidation again. Prices have the support of 213, whereas the resistance of 227, which is also the downward sloping trend line resistance. Prices have the 30 days exponential moving average at the level of 203, which is well below the current price, with the momentum indicator RSI at 67, which supports the bullish bias in the natural gas prices. We expect buy on dip strategy to be used in natural gas from the level of 220 to 218, with a stop loss below the level of 213 and the target of 227 during the current week. Moving on to copper. Copper prices have reached the previous resistance and is trading with a higher high and higher lows formation. Prices have the support of 737 level, which was the previous breakout level, with the resistance at the level of 772, which is a 76.4 Fibonacci extension level in copper prices. The prices have the RSI at 70, which also supports the bullish bias. 30 days exponential, which is well below the current price of 716. For the week, we expect copper prices to trade with a sideways to bullish bias within the range of 740 to 772 in the coming week. Moving on to the currency segment. Euro INR for the month of May have retraced back from the resistance of 90.60. This resistance hasn't been breached in the last year. Therefore, we expect the prices to test this level and retrace back within the range. Prices have the support of 88.90, which is the 30 days exponential moving average, with the RSI at the level of 59, which has retraced back from the overbought zone, implies the sideways to bearish bias for the pair. Therefore, for the week, we expect sell on rise strategy to be used in Euro INR. We can sell Euro from the level of 89.70 to 89.80 with a stop loss above the level of 90.60 and for the target of 88.90 during the current week. So that's all from my side. Have a good and profitable trading session ahead. Thank you.